Hello guys, welcome to the first Android tutorial series using Flutter. Flutter is a great tool where you can even create iOS and Android applications. One code can create two results, one is the iOS app and there is an Android app. Sounds good, right? Let us assume a company like Netflix want to create a mobile app for them. They don't need to hire the iOS developer and they don't need to hire the Android developer. If they have the Flutter developer, the single code, single developer can create the two applications. It sounds really great. It's a future technology. In past, we have React Native in order to do the same job, but React Native is bit slow. In order to improve the speed, Flutter has created a great platform to create the native applications using one code for two platforms. So let us as start from here. Go to flutter.io webpage. You can find this great stuff right here. What are things that you can do with the Flutter, how it works, the everything that you can see at here. In the next couple of tutorials, we are going to teach you how to install the Android Studio, how to integrate SDK of Flutter to the Android Studio, and how to add the pathings to your local variables, something like that, some kind of great stuff. You don't need to have any previous programming experience in order to learn the Flutter here. We are going to teach you everything from scratch, where you may be experienced programmer, where you may be iOS developer, or whether you may be an Android developer. It's not a matter.